Okay, hey YouTube guys, got quite a long video for you today. Just gonna show you my gun. It's Utg MK96. If you've seen my other videos, you know I got a spray painted bipod here, and you can't really tell because of bad lighting, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And I got a scope ring on there, and it's a spring gun. It's not that great. Well, power wise, for its cheapness, it's really good, but it's not great material. Wobbly barrel. But let me just get this done because this is going to be a long video. So I'm just going to set my camera down, and you can see what I'm shooting at here. I got 3 pumpkins and 5 cans, and I'm going to shoot each pumpkin and set of cans one by one and then review them, I guess. So let's get this going. Hold up a second. Alright. Each can's filled with water. Alright then, so I wasn't really aiming for a direct spot on this pumpkin. It's more of a damage test, I guess. But this can, I can only get one shot off at it. But as you can, it didn't come out the back, but it's filled with water, and that was pretty cool shooting it. I'll put it with the next one. But as you can see, all of them, well, you can't really tell, but they all penetrated. This is a full pumpkin. It's not yet carved. Halloween's over, so you can't really tell much on this one. But the widest shot this way is right there. We got one down here. It's all about in this area right here. So maybe a half-foot grouping. There's one up here. But so now I'll just put this can with this one. And so we got 3 cans, and this pumpkin's hollowed out, so let's see what happens. Let me just run back. Sorry, I'm not like a good photo editor or video editor. So, and remember, you guys tell me what to do and change. You leave comments. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna edit all this out. Alright, that looks good. Sorry, I gotta reload. Alright, sorry about that. I had to reload. Because I don't know, I probably shot 28 or so. But I missed this can so much, this middle one here. Dang, but I got quite a few hits on it. And look at that, we had a penetration in the back. And we had this one, I hit all 3 shots, I think I fired at it. 4, you count. But whatever, I'll put those with the next one. Oh, this one dented up pretty good. Pretty well. We had 1 back dent, but no back penetration. I'll show you the distances at the end, but now let's just move on to this last pumpkin. Alright, and I'll just show you this one. Oh, we got 1 hole there. You can see that dark outline of a hole, so it shows you the power of this gun. And Halloween's all over, so I don't care about all this crap. So this one I'll just take out these cans, and then I'll move on to my root beer. Once again, sorry, I'm not a good video editor. Windows Movie Maker screws up the quality of all my videos, so I don't use it. You guys can say all the crap you want. Alright, here we go. Alright, now I'm gonna fire at the pumpkin. 5 or so shots. Gotta reload here. Just want to show you how it can penetrate a hollowed out pumpkin. I don't know how well though. Really powerful gun. And these are going to be real accurate shots. Alright then, since I did all the shooting, I'm going to just show you this, and my accuracy test is done. Well, not quite. I fired 5 shots at the pumpkin. I don't know if you could hear me back there, but look at this. This is freaking crazy. All the forehead. We got a shot there, shot there, shot there, shot there, and shot there. That is like the size of a $50. Or, I have a $50 in my pocket. So look at this. Those are all almost the size of a $50. And the distance from this target to my gun. Alright, so I'll just try and show you the distance here. From this pumpkin to that gun. It's freaking insane. It's at least 50 feet. I mean, you can argue that. I don't care. But look at this. I mean, if I really tried and took time, I could nail all these cans perfectly. I probably had at least 75% hit ratio, or hit percentage. And look at this. It has penetrations all over. That's the entrances. And then it's got exits, exits, exits. And then, okay, that's my phone. And then we got some more on that one. Dented the crap out of that. These were all perfect cans. Just filled with water. And then there's that pumpkin again. Okay, I'm running out of time here. So I'm just going to go to part 2 for power test. Thanks. And watch part 2.